In this video, I'm gonna share 5 amazing tips on tuples that you can use to make your coding more efficient and easier. So let's get started. So if you want to find the length of a tuple in Python, for that you can just write print and here you can write length of t. That's it. Let's see what's the length of this tuple. So the length of this tuple is 5 as you can see here. Let's move on to the next step. So here suppose you want to find the maximum and minimum element in this tuple. For that you can use the max and min function. Let me show you. First I will write print and then I will write max of t. That's it. Similarly I can write min of t. Now let's run this code. And as you can see maximum is 5 and minimum is 1. Let's move on to the next step. Suppose you want to find the index of an element in tuple. Then instead of using any for loops, here's an easy way to do this. You can write print and then you can write t dot index, and here I'm finding the index of 5 for example. Now let's run this code and as you can see the index of 5 is 2. Let's move on to the next step. So suppose here I have a bigger tuple. Let me create random elements in this, and now I ask you to find the count of say 3 in this tuple. Then you have used a for loop and also created a count variable, something like that. But here's an easy way to do that. You can write print and then you can write t dot count. And here I want to find the count of 3 for example. Now let's run this code. And as you can see 3 is present 3 times. Here's 1, 2 and then here's 3. That's an easy way to do this. Let's move on to the next step. So suppose here you are given a list and here you want to create a tuple from this. For that you can write print and then you can use typecasting by writing tuple, and here you can write the name of this list, and as you can see it's converted into tuple.